When it comes to all-inclusive resorts in the Dominican Republic, the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino Punta Cana stands out as one of the most ambitious properties on the Caribbean coast. This massive five-star resort opened its doors in 2010 and has been making waves ever since with its unique blend of rock and roll culture and tropical luxury. Located on the stunning Macau beach, this isn't your typical beachfront hotel. With over 1,700 rooms spread across different sections, it's practically a small city dedicated to entertainment, relaxation, and that unmistakable hard rock vibe that music lovers know and appreciate. The accommodation options at Hard Rock Hotel and Casino Punta Cana are impressively diverse, catering to everyone from families with young children to couples seeking an adults-only escape. The resort is cleverly divided into three main sections, each with its own personality and target audience. The standard accommodations offer solid comfort with music-themed decor that immediately sets the tone for your stay. Every room features memorabilia from legendary artists, creating an atmosphere that's both luxurious and authentically rock and roll. The deluxe gold rooms, measuring around 500 square feet, come equipped with either king or twin beds, a well-stocked minibar, private balcony or terrace, and rainfall showers that make you feel like you're in a high-end spa. The premium toiletries and music-themed artwork add special touches that remind you this isn't just any resort. For those wanting more space and luxury, the Platinum Suites nearly double the square footage to around 990 feet, offering separate living areas and enhanced amenities. The Heaven at Hard Rock section caters exclusively to adults, providing a more sophisticated and peaceful environment for couples and mature travelers. Meanwhile, the Hacienda at Hard Rock focuses on family-friendly accommodations with connecting rooms and child-safe features. Room views vary from garden and pool vistas to stunning ocean panoramas, and most rooms can accommodate up to 4 guests comfortably. The ongoing renovations and updates ensure that even the standard rooms feel fresh and modern, with contemporary technology and refreshed decor that maintains the rock and roll theme without feeling dated or cheesy. The dining scene at this resort is where things get really exciting. And honestly, it's one of the main reasons people choose Hard Rock over other all-inclusive options in Punta Cana. With multiple restaurants scattered throughout the property, you could literally eat at a different place every night of your stay and still not experience everything. The variety is genuinely impressive, ranging from casual beachside grills to upscale specialty restaurants that wouldn't feel out of place in major cities. The International Buffet restaurant serves as the main dining hub, offering everything from traditional Dominican dishes to American comfort food, Asian specialties, and European classics. The quality here is surprisingly good for a buffet, with live cooking stations and fresh ingredients that change daily. For those seeking more intimate dining experiences, the specialty restaurants require reservations but offer exceptional cuisine that rivals standalone restaurants. The steakhouse delivers perfectly cooked cuts of meat in an atmosphere decorated with rock memorabilia, while the Italian restaurant serves authentic pasta and pizza that actually tastes like it came from Italy. The Asian fusion restaurant offers creative takes on traditional dishes, and the Mexican restaurant provides fresh ceviches and perfectly seasoned grilled meats. What really sets the dining apart is the attention to presentation and the quality of ingredients, which often exceed expectations for an all-inclusive property. The bars throughout the resort are equally impressive, from the swim-up pool bars where you can sip tropical cocktails without leaving the water, to the sophisticated lobby bar where skilled bartenders craft premium cocktails with top-shelf liquors. The beach bars offer the perfect setting for sunset drinks, while the sports bar provides the ideal atmosphere for watching games while enjoying cold beers and casual snacks. The all-inclusive package covers premium brands, so you're not stuck with bottom-shelf liquor like at some other resorts. The pool and beach facilities at Hard Rock Hotel and Casino Punta Cana are nothing short of spectacular, and this is where the resort really shows off its scale and ambition. The main pool area feels like a water park designed for adults, with multiple connected pools that flow seamlessly into each other, creating a massive aquatic playground. The centerpiece is the main pool, which is large enough for serious swimming, but also features shallow areas perfect for lounging with a drink. Connected to this is the activity pool, where water aerobics and pool games keep things lively throughout the day. The Adults-Only Heaven section has its own exclusive pool area, providing a more tranquil environment where you can actually hear yourself think and enjoy peaceful conversations. For families, the Kids Water Park is absolutely incredible, featuring multiple slides, splash zones, and interactive water features that will keep children entertained for hours. The lazy river winds through part of the property, allowing guests to float leisurely while taking in the tropical landscaping and rock-themed decorations. Pool service is excellent, with attentive staff regularly offering fresh towels, drink refills, and light snacks without you having to leave your lounger. The beach access is direct and convenient, leading to a beautiful stretch of Macau Beach with its characteristic white sand and clear turquoise waters. The beach setup includes plenty of loungers, umbrellas, and cabanas available for reservation. Water sports equipment is readily available, including kayaks, paddleboards, and snorkeling gear, though some motorized activities require additional fees. The beach bars ensure you never have to walk far for a cold drink, and the service extends right to your beach chair. The waves here are generally gentle enough for swimming, but occasionally provide enough action for body surfing, making it suitable for various comfort levels in the water. When it comes to activities and entertainment, Hard Rock Hotel and Casino Punta Cana lives up to its reputation as an entertainment-focused resort. The daily activity schedule reads like a festival program, with something happening from morning until late night. The fitness center is surprisingly well-equipped with modern cardio machines, free weights, and strength training equipment. Plus, it offers group fitness classes including water aerobics, beach volleyball, and dance lessons. Tennis enthusiasts will appreciate the well-maintained courts, though they can get quite hot during midday hours. The resort's entertainment team, known for their energy and creativity, organizes pool games, trivia contests, dance lessons, and theme parties throughout the week. Live music is a constant presence, with local bands and international acts performing regularly on various stages around the property. The main theater hosts nightly shows ranging from tribute bands to dance performances and comedy acts, with production values that often exceed expectations. During the day, you can participate in cooking classes, Spanish lessons, or art workshops, providing cultural experiences beyond the typical resort activities. The casino, one of the largest in the Caribbean, offers slot machines, table games, and poker rooms for those feeling lucky. Even if gambling isn't your thing, the casino's atmosphere and occasional live entertainment make it worth a visit. For those seeking adventure beyond the resort, the activity desk can arrange excursions including zip lining, cave exploration, deep-sea fishing, and cultural tours of local communities. The Rock Spa represents one of the resort's most luxurious amenities, offering a comprehensive wellness experience that goes far beyond basic massage services. The spa facility itself is beautifully designed with natural materials and soothing music that creates an immediate sense of relaxation upon entry. Treatment options include traditional massages, body wraps, facials, and more specialized services like couples massages and prenatal treatments. The signature treatments incorporate local ingredients like coconut, coffee, and tropical fruits, providing an authentic Caribbean spa experience. The spa menu is extensive enough to accommodate different preferences and budgets, from quick 30-minute treatments to full-day wellness packages. Skilled therapists provide professional service, and many guests report feeling genuinely relaxed and rejuvenated after their treatments. The spa also features a sauna and steam room, perfect for unwinding after a day in the sun or before a treatment. Wellness programs extend beyond the spa with yoga classes held on the beach during sunrise and sunset, providing a magical setting for mindfulness and stretching. The resort also offers meditation sessions and wellness workshops focusing on stress reduction and healthy living. Booking spa treatments in advance is highly recommended, especially during peak season, as the quality and reputation of the Rock Spa make it quite popular among guests. The spa retail area offers high-quality products used in treatments, allowing you to continue the pampering experience at home. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you're not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.